So one of the things we're noticing is how flat this is whenever you come down, but also this arcing.
No, I noticed that since I was little. Like,
sit up.
I've always had a bigger arc than most kids.
I want to do this. Let's feel a little bit here. Yeah. Do you have any pains, anything like that?
Yeah, back pain and hip pain.
Left hip?
Yes.
Yeah. Any mid back pain?
Yeah.
Upper back pain?
For sure.
Neck pain?
Yeah, everything.
So you're like your whole spine?
Basically.
Yeah. Okay, got it. How long has it been going on for?
20 years.
Any like particular things in life?
So I was a mechanic for 20 years, being hunched over on cars all day long, doing motor swaps, and you know, that's not good for your back.
No, it's terrible.
Yeah.
Yeah. And then we're gonna go right there. Okay.
Oh my god.
Good. Maybe put your hands up a little bit higher.
Oh my god. Oh, you got it. Oh. I waited so long for that spot, man. Finally.
Now, the other thing is that when we look at these x-rays, when we measure it from this area, that atlas is shifted to the left side more. This way, about 30 millimeters compared to 28. So that's our second confirmation that that's what we want to adjust on. Drop your head down into this.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, wow.
Whew.
Yeah, so loud.
That was amazing.
Easier for me.
Oh my god. Oh my goodness. That was weird. I don't know what you're doing, but you're doing it, man.
I see. So this is your lower back. You see how like yours starts to bend?
Yeah.
That means that there's some adhesions or some tension that's really pulling your body off more to one side than to the other side. And really that's the type of motion that we want to get better. And he's like,
that's why I'm
he's like,
that was just more scary than anything. Alright, we're done?
yeah, that's how you sit. Look straight and turn your head to the right again. Yeah.
Not even trying.
Not even trying. Let's have you look all the way up to the ceiling. Yeah, good. Look all the way down. How do those feel?
Perfect.
Stand up for me too. Try and touch your toes.
Oh yeah, that's crazy. Wow.
Yeah?
That's impressive. Thank you, bro.
Amen. The way that you feel right now is just a
amazing.
surface of the potential that you could have. All right, and thank you for trusting me, man.
Amazing.
Yeah.
Amazing. Thank you so much.
Yeah.